How to turn off Uber notifications on your iPhone or Android. For that, first of all, make sure that you have installed your Uber application. If you have already installed, then make sure that you have updated version of Uber application. Once you check this both of the things, first of all, what you need to do is simply hit on the settings that you have on your device. When you go through the settings, scroll down there, you will see all of the apps. Among them, choose Uber. Once you found it, simply hit on that. There you will see notifications option. If you don't see notification option, then it might be because you haven't logged into Uber application. Once you log into it, you will see notification option over there. Simply toggle it off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.